Hello guys, I'm Alan Quaz. To tell you in these tutorials how to go for your Gmail recovery password. In a case you forgot your Gmail password, in case you have lost your Gmail password, don't have the recovery email and the recovery phones, what's the best alternative way to rescue of that Gmail we will see live. Unfortunately, this area has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to that, of course, he is not in a position to rescue in this email. When we go for normal method, it's saying that I did not provide enough information for Google to show that this account is mine. Here is given only the three options, that is answer as many questions as we can, use a device where we have to sign the before, and the third is that if the account is managed with a family link or alternative email, then we have to send emails to your parent to change your password. We quit all options, so can I add further any another opportunity or options to rescue of this Gmail? We will check it out here live. Let's see. Yes, we will tap on here to an action. See here, we are having the problem that is asking password. If you go for try another way, what's the sanction that? Yes, we don't have this device, so now we'll click on here, try another way, and when we tap on that, see here, it's asking phone number. We don't have a phone numbers. Let's see. So this is the things that is the coming. So don't click on here again. We quit three all options. Just we will come on here in a Play Store. In the Play Store, we will have to download one browser that is a Brave and fast browser with especially. I had already started to install so that it will save a time, otherwise video would be lengthy. Now similar strategy, this all technique and of course tips is very crucial. So first and foremost, you will have to come on a Z browser and click on app info. Check it out how many browsers are, especially in your device. Take any smartphones, apply similar strategy and see the what's the magic result are the coming here. Just we will tap on this notification, make it off. When we tap on or off this notification, we will have to come the permission. We will have to customize precise location. So tap on it, and upon we will click on here the precise location off, and upon we will go for click on here. So it's a thing that if you deny these features, then the basic feature will be no longer function as intended. Fine. Here what we will have to do, 2 times we will have to back and check it out. Open by default browser tab. Make it enable, check it out in the link and click on 4-5 times, and upon we will make it off. Yes, we will cut it from here. Similar things we will have to apply on a Chrome browser. This is also of course the product of Google, we know that. So now we will come notifications, now we will block, and thereupon we will come the permission. In a permission we will have to come the locations to, of course we will have to make it off. Click here, don't allow NB. Then once again we will have to 2 times backs. Here we will have especially the browser apps. Yes to we will have to apply no. So now we will back here and we can see here is a no. Fine, we will cut it from here. We will tap on this browser and simply we will have to do nothing, just to click on here, maybe later. Now here just click on a continue. When we tap on it, then here we will have to type that Google pick this one, Google Help. Now we are on here, we will have to tap these ones. Now see here, we will have to tap on it's related Gmail issues. Just we will click on here. Then we will have to go for now we will have to come on especially here how to recover these ones. Just we will go for it, and here we will have especially yes, we will click on especially account recovery. Just we will click on this arrow, guys. Now we are on here, files. we'll have to type this particular email. Now we will have to tap on a next, and we can see here. Yes, it is asking password. Just we will go for try another way, and now we will click on here that try another way. We have a clue here. Now we don't have the last password, so we will try on it, and we can see here phone number is showing fine. We don't have because losing of device. Now here is a more tips to recover these accounts. Means surely these accounts can be recovered without having the recovery email and recovery phones. How it is? Don't click on here and here because you would be attraction that some the transaction recover these accounts by a different browser. So let's say smartly handle it. We'll get it from here. And upon of course check it out your setting of your devices. Yes, we will come in settings. Setting 2, of course, we will have options that Google service and preferences, of course. Now we will click on a 3 dot, and here we'll have to click on this help options. Now here we will have to click on a consigns in this Gmail accounts, and when we tap on it, yes, we will pick you think someone else is using these accounts. Now we will have options in that secure this account. Tap on it. Now we will come on here that review your account activities. Now here we have option that find out if your account has been hacked. Now see one thing more here. We will come on here. Let's up down up of that. This page will be open here, the recovery page, and we will tap on it. Once again here we will have to tap this particular ID, and thereupon of course here we will have to click to a next. Now see guys, here directly would be here. So what we will do here, don't click on a continue, otherwise you would be trapped in its verify you option. So here what we will do here, click on a change the password, otherwise you would be trapped here. If you clicks, then it's verify you option there, you don't have a yes phone number as a recovery. So that's why here now, because phone number was added here, the create a strong password, confirms a strong password, then change it. After changing, if we tap on it, then we will have to manage your Gmail accounts. We will go the inside of that. There is a feature one that security. They add firstly email, and after adding email, then remove a recovery number, add a new recovery number that you want, so that this account would be fully secured. On a live screen, we cannot create in these things, so because this is a security concern of this viewer. So this is all about, guys. Yes, of a screen we will have to generate a strong password. We will have to deliver to this viewer. So this is all about. Thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.